India's economy ended FY26 on a strong note. GDP growth came in at 7.7% for the full year, while the January to March quarter grew 7.8%, beating expectations. But now, economists are warning the next few quarters could look very different. A poll of 10 economists conducted by Business Standard projects that India's GDP growth will slow to 6.5% in FY27. Why? Let's understand. According to the poll, growth estimates range from 6.2 to 6.8%. That's down from 7.7%, the National Statistic Office's estimate for FY26. Quant Eco Research is the most cautious, projecting just 6.2% growth. IDFC First Bank is the most optimistic at 6.8%. That is a full 60 basis points separating the most bullish and most bearish outlooks. The gap reflects just how much depends on what happens next. So what are the prime concerns? Well, the biggest worry is energy. The conflict in West Asia has heightened concerns about global oil supplies. More expensive crude means costlier fuel, higher transport expenses, and rising input costs for businesses. It can also push up fertilizer costs, adding pressure on agriculture. Economists say the impact of the war was limited in Q4 FY26, but the full economic impact may not appear until the coming quarters. CareEdge Ratings puts FY27 growth at 6.7%, but only if crude oil averages $90 a barrel. If prices stay around $100, they say growth could slip to 6.5%. ICRA, assuming crude at $95 a barrel, expects GDP to fall below 6.5% in FY27. Higher energy costs, they say, will squeeze corporate profits, dampen investment, and reduce what consumers can actually spend. The second major risk is weather. El Nino conditions are building. The 2026 monsoon forecast is looking weak, and that matters enormously in an economy where agriculture still drives rural demand. ICRA flagged that a poor monsoon could dull agricultural output and consumer spending in the second half of FY27. Bank of Baroda Chief Economist Madan Sabnavis says agriculture could be the biggest drag on growth this year. He cut his agricultural growth estimate to 2 to 2.5%, down from the earlier 2.5 to 3%. There's another challenge, inflation. ICRA expects nominal GDP growth to rise above 12% in FY27 compared to 8.9% in FY26. But that is not necessarily good news. A large part of that increase could come from higher wholesale and retail inflation. The Reserve Bank of India has already raised its FY27 inflation forecast to 5.1%. Also, it projects GDP growth at 6.6% while warning of downside risks. Some economists also believe interest rates may have to rise if inflation remains elevated. That could further slow borrowing and spending. Beyond oil and weather, economists see two more pressure points. Government spending could slow after strong expenditure in recent years, and bank credit growth may moderate if businesses turn cautious amid geopolitical uncertainty. Supply chain disruptions linked to the West Asia war are cooling both investment and consumption decisions. Put together, these factors could make FY27 a more challenging year than FY26. Follow Business Standard for more stories.